Good evening, I'm Laura Yamada. Paula Akana has the night off. Well, state court officials issued a dire report today called Justice in Jeopardy. It's loaded with new data to show our troubled economy has increased demand on courts, even as budget cuts have reduced their ability to handle the cases. KITV4's Daryl Huff has been looking into what the new numbers are really telling us. Daryl.
Laura, we went a little further than just the numbers in the report. Comparing them to prior years, we found that although Hawaii residents and business are suing each other a lot more since things went bad, the courts have not seen a big increase in criminal cases. The judiciary is the first agency to quantify the lost work time due to furloughs. In their case, 600,000 fewer man-hours.
There's a point where there's only so many resources that can be redirected before it begins to impact all the other parts.
Court managers implied public safety is at risk because 24 vacant probation officer jobs must stay vacant. Those remaining officers are supervising up to 180 probationers each.
The ability to physically manage that number of cases is something that we have to deal with to the best of our ability.
There have also been cutbacks in drug treatment and other programs. Courts officials say that means the state is wasting money incarcerating people who should be at home and under treatment. It's also taking longer to close criminal cases. But overall, despite the bad economy, the criminal caseload has not changed significantly. In fact, we found since 2008, felony circuit court criminal cases have actually gone down 1%. Misdemeanor crimes were up less than 1%. Even misdemeanor theft was also up less than 1%. The real increases in workload are in civil court, with major business and injury claims up 33% in 2 years. Claims under $25,000 are up 50%, and land court, tax appeal, and liens up a whopping 70%.
I believe that this report was issued so that people can see what the real numbers are, what the real impact is.
If the judiciary hopes this report might spark action on state worker furloughs, they will likely be disappointed unless significant new money turns up. Lawmakers told me that plan for furloughs is to remain in place until at least next summer, Laura.
But, Daryl, there must be a lot of competition for money.
Yeah, for any new money that comes up, the court's concern about a bogged-down calendar will be a tough sell against agency who will say their budget cuts have actually caused human suffering. Laura.
All right, thanks, Daryl.